how to open as administrator in Windows 11. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, let's just look for an application that we want to open as an administrator. So you can just choose any application that you want to open as an administrator. So I'll just go to the search bar over here. And then for example, I want to open the command prompt as an administrator. So I'll just search up for CMD. And then after that, instead of left clicking the CMD application right there, what you can do is to just simply right click it. And then after that, there will be an option right there to run it as administrator. Or what you can also do is to just simply click on run as administrator right there. So yeah, for me, I'll just click on run as administrator right here. And after that, it will ask you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So just simply click on yes. And then there you go, CMD is now being run as an administrator. Next is if you want to run something as an administrator within your desktop, what you can do is to just simply choose an app right here that you want to run as an administrator. So for example, I will want to open Eclipse right here as an administrator. So I'll just right click the application. And then after that, there will be an option right there to run it as an administrator. So I'll just click on this. And after that, it will ask you again if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Just simply click on yes, and then there you go, Eclipse is now being run as administrator. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to open as administrator in Windows 11.